In today's world, drones are fast becoming an important commodity to individuals and organizations likewise. For some, it's a tool for business, while for many, it's a tool to pass time during leisure. Drones come in different shapes and forms, and they serve separate purposes. Some are particularly good for taking pictures and videos, while others are good for racing. The two types of drones are the FPV drones and the regular drones. In this video, we'll be looking at these drones and their products to see which is better at serving your needs. Hey there, welcome to today's video. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please click on the subscribe button below. Give this video a thumbs up and click on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we upload new content. Regular drones are the common drones you can find everywhere around you. They're easy to set up and can fly as soon as they're taken out of the box. They are naturally quicker to learn, so they're perfect for beginners. Another beautiful thing about this type of drone is that it's safer. So if you're a young person and you're not yet ready for risky rides, you should get yourself a regular drone. Then when you're ready to go faster, you can look into the FPV drones. Regular drones also have a longer battery life. Depending on how fast and how long you film, some of them can last at least 50 minutes. However, they can also be difficult to repair. When any major damage is made to one part of these drones, you'd have to send the drone for repairs, and this can take a long time. An example of this drone includes the DJI Mavic drone. They have all the characteristics I mentioned before, and they're a good brand to try out if you're a beginner. It also has a good resolution. First-person view FPV drones are flown with a set of goggles that lets you see whatever the drone itself is seeing. It is super speedy, and some can go for about 200 kilometers an hour. However, this means that the footage will come out shaky. To curb this, you'd have to stabilize the footage by yourself after shooting using some editing apps. With the FPV drone, you can have more freedom to fly without restraint. Regular drones come with sensors that tell you how close you are to obstacles, and this can be distracting. However, the FPV doesn't work that way, and as much as it looks like an advantage, it can open your drone up to terrible crashes, causing you more damage. Talking about damages, the FPV drones are easier to repair. They have spare parts you can use to fix things yourself. These parts are readily available, so there's no need to send them away to the company for fixing. However, this is only possible if you have an eye for technology. If you can't identify a circuit board or use a soldering iron, you should give it out for repairs. Another disadvantage of the FPV drone is its short battery life. This drone has a battery lifespan of about 5 to 7 minutes. It's challenging to learn and hard to set up. Learning how to fly this drone requires a lot of time and effort. And unlike the regular drones, you'd have to set it up yourself from scratch. This is time-consuming, and many people will choose regular drones because of this. But despite all its cons, it can let you nail high-quality cinematic scenes, resulting in awesome footage. It also allows you to zoom in between high buildings and structures so you can get a really good shot. Examples of FPV drones include the BetaFPV Cetus Pro and the GEPRC TinyGo 4K. The BetaFPV Cetus Pro has a Google resolution of 800 by 480p. It weighs about 45.8 grams with a battery included. It's small and lightweight, easy to use, and offers some form of safety for the user's sake. However, it cannot be used for freestyle flying because of the battery span. It comes with different modes that help the drone in positioning itself up in the sky. These modes include the sports mode, normal mode, and manual mode. All these modes work for different situations, but you'll have to train yourself to be able to optimize them. The GEPRC TinyGo 4K is a drone that possesses built-in video recording capacity. It has a battery life of about 530 megaamps, allowing it to last for 6 minutes max. Its Google resolution is 800 by 480p, and it weighs 80.2 grams, including battery weight. This drone comes with a shoulder bag to help in carrying it around, but like the other drone, it lacks the power for freestyle flying. It's also not suitable for certain weather types. For example, if the weather is windy, the drone can't fly. So, with all that said, which one will we say is the best? Well, it depends on what you want to use it for. If you want to fly drones for leisure, get a regular drone. It'll be less stressful and easier to fly. But for professional shooting or scouting, you need high-quality footage from all angles. Hence, you will need the FPV drones to achieve this feat. However, to be able to use the FPV drone to yield good results, you have to study how to set it up. It will only produce the results you set it up to produce. With that being said, we've come to the end of this video. If you like what you just saw, Do well to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and click on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we upload new content. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.